Amar Seva Sangam presents Amar Abdul Kalam Rehabilitation Orchard, where nature, care, and inclusion come together. This land was once overgrown and forgotten. 5 acres of wild bushes and uneven ground, holding quite potential, waiting to be transformed. After the land was cleared, the journey began with prayer. A foundation stone was laid, signifying hope, purpose, and a shared commitment to healing and inclusion. The first saplings were planted by the board members, symbolizing leadership rooted in service and long-term commitment to persons with disabilities. Children, staff members, families, and donors planted side by side. Each sapling carried a shared promise that growth, care, and inclusion would belong to everyone. Essential infrastructure followed. Quiet but necessary steps that ensured safety, stability, and readiness for the journey ahead. Mud roads and pathways were laid for temporary access. A waterfall was added, bringing gentle sound, movement, and calm. For many children, it became a moment of connection, curiosity, and peace. Over time, the Amar Abdul Kalam Rehab Orchard evolved into more than a therapeutic landscape. With its rich diversity of fruit, amla, nakshatra, zodiac, and planet trees, it became a natural space where children and adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities could connect with nature, learning, healing, and growing through experience. It began to emerge as a higher-level rehabilitation initiative, where nature was not only experienced but intentionally designed to support development, learning, and dignity. To take this vision forward, Amar Seva Sangam approached the Australian Consulate. Through their support, a grant of 7.99 lakhs rupees was received, enabling the development of the sensory park. Beginning with the ceremonial Bhumi Puja and collaborative planning meetings, new pathways and an internal road were laid, making movement easier, access safer, and the orchard welcoming for every child and adult. To take this transformation forward, a dedicated sensory park became essential, bringing structured sensory engagement for early intervention in children and meaningful vocational learning for adults. It was to realize this critical next step that support was sought from the Australian government. Play equipment transforms therapy into movement, supporting balance, coordination, and confidence through joyful physical engagement. Motor planning structures challenge children to think, move, and adapt, strengthening coordination and problem-solving through structured play. Group activities such as tug-of-war encourage cooperation, communication, and teamwork, building social skills that extend well beyond the play space. The sensory park begins with a multi-texture pathway, where touch, balance, and movement come together, supporting sensory integration through natural, play-based experience. Herbal plantations invite children to explore smell, taste, and touch, stimulating the senses gently while strengthening attention and awareness in a natural setting. Solar-powered lighting adds a soft visual dimension, enhancing focus and calm while demonstrating sustainable design within therapeutic spaces. Wet and dry soil pits offer grounding tactile experiences, helping children regulate emotions, improve sensory processing, and feel secure within their environment. Water play and the gentle flow of the waterfall bring movement, sound, and calm, creating moments of joy, relaxation, and sensory balance. For adults with intellectual and physical disabilities, the Sensory Park extends into vocational learning, where agricultural activities and solar drying introduce responsibility, skill, and dignity of work. Together, these components support early intervention, sensory integration, social participation, and vocational readiness, turning therapy into lived experience, enabled through partnership and shared vision. The Sensory Park stands as a space where nature, therapy, and opportunity come together, affirming the potential of every individual. Amar Seva Sangam sincerely thanks the Australian Consulate for their support, which enabled the creation of the Sensory Park and strengthened inclusive therapy and learning.